All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the last session of today's show, and we'll be having our speaker on stage in a very short while. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I always say, that it feels really great to do something like this, coming on a virtual event, coming on a platform like this, and talking about various things. It feels really nice. I think it's a great thing to do. And I again would like to request all of you to please be very participative. This is the last session, so this is your last chance to ask questions to our speakers. So do ask your questions, and apart from that, do take look at all the sections that you can see on the right and left side of your screen. Um, the handout section, the VIP launch, the launch area, everything. And I will be back in a very short while with the speaker, and we'll be starting the last session of today's show. And I hope आप सबको मजा आ रहा है. बहुत सारी information, बहुत सारी different चीजों के बारे में आपको पता चल रहा है. So I really think it's going really well. Do write your feedback to us if you like the show. Do write your feedback to us. We would love to improve also. And in the last shows that we did, we got really good response from all the audience, all the exhibitors. It went really well. So I hope this is going well for all of you, and do let us know how you feel about it. And very soon we'll be having the last speaker of today's show with us. So I'll be back in a very short while. You stay tuned just right here. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, as I promised, that I'm back in a very short. I hope I'm visible now. All right. So sorry for the little inconvenience, and I am back with the last speaker. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Mr. Kaleeswaran M.A. R. Kaleeswaran M.A. I would like to give his introduction. He has some technical issues from his end, so we'll be playing his presentation. And it's a good long presentation, very well presented. So you'll get all the information about what he wanted to convey. And I would like to give a little introduction about our renowned speaker, R. Kaleeswaran M.A. He is Honorable Secretary at Karaikudi Bakery Owners Association. He is an international chef, former chairman of Society of Indian Bakers, Southern Region. He is a president of Tamil Nadu Chamber of Bakery Industry, resource person and guest faculty at various catering colleges, and is also an author, and he has written two books. The first book is The Indian Bread Science and Technology, and the second book is The Indian Traditional Millet Cookies. So it's absolutely an honor to have his presence here, though he's having little trouble. So we'll be presenting his presentation. So can I request from the backend team to please play the video? And we have Mr. Vilas with us from the team. I request Mr. Vilas to please play the video.
Yeah, just now.
There's no volume in the video. Vilas, I'm sorry to disturb you, but the volume of the video is not at all audible. Vilas, can you hear me?
Yeah, what happened?
I'm saying the volume of the video is not audible. There is no volume. It's not audible. We can only see the,
Uh,
we cannot hear it.
right now?
Can you increase the volume, make it full?
Yeah, एक second. This is last one.
Um, it is still not very much audible.
Right now?
It is better, better.
To 20% may be
Yes, it is.
implemented to the
Can
fermented
you
product,
replay the video because it was not
may
audible
be
throughout?
placed in the cookie and cake manufacturing. Now, the latest
Vilas,
trend
can you
is
replay the video?
having some of
Yeah, yeah.
the cookie making is popularized all around the country. Dear friends and bakers, good evening to everybody. I am Kalishwaran, Honorary Secretary, Karakudi Bakery Owners Association. Today, we are talking about the usage of bakery raw materials, exclusively the millet grains and millet flour usage in the bakery products. Commonly, the wheat allied product, maida, is utilized in the majority of bakeries. We can say 100%. Nutritional value and some of the awareness program. Some doctors are neglecting and insisting the removal of gluten allergy and the fumigation system followed in the roller floor milling industry. We have to replace a certain percentage of maida instead of making the bakery products. So the millets, commonly you heard about the word millet means what we call in Tamil as சிறுதானியங்கள் கம்பு கேழ்வரகு சோளம் வரகு பனிவரகு சாமை திணை what we call in English as a, little millet, pearl millet, podo millet, foxtail millet, barnyard millet, and proso millet, like that. These millets are having highly nutritious and riboflavin enzymatical actions in the nutritional value also higher, and the kilocalories is compared to the wheat and rice is little higher than the products. So in the fermented products, you can utilize replace 12 to 20% of millet flour, and for the cookies making, we can replace 66% of millet flour in the bakery products. The world level, 55% of the global millet production is obtained in three countries. One is India, Nigeria, and China. But 40% alone is crop. The crop is has been cultivated in India in various states of the Indian country, and it is popularized to have a highly nutritious food. Generally, the millets are used in the cookery industry in making rice and chapati, roti, like that, and snack foods only. Some of the modern trends, the bakers are very much interested to give the nutritious products, which are very highly sensitive and the stamina holding energetic proteins inside the millets. we are replacing with the millet flour in the bakery products. 12 to 20% may be implemented to the fermented products, and 66% may be utilized in the cookie and cake manufacturing. Now, the latest trend is having some of the cookie making is popularized all around the country, and it was also exported to the foreign countries like Africa and the European countries. The global consumption of the wheat grains is majorly done in Niger, Mali, Nigeria, then Burkina and Sudan. There almost 40% of the global utilization is made in these countries, and in India, for cookery industry, utilizes the millet grains indirectly with some of the preparations various in the cookery industry. As far as concerned in the bakery industry, we are trying so much research has been made in CFTRI and IACPT and various agriculture universities throughout the country and the Indian Institute of Millet Research. Everybody is having a lot of research which can be promoted to the nutrition as well as the regular consumption of the food ingredient. Bakery, the cookies and other product is made in bakery industry along with the millet grains. The unpleasant odor of the grains should be removed. That is why our association is insisting and requesting the government and the laboratories of the government organization like CFTRI, IACPT and Indian Institute of Millet Research, they deodorize the millet flour to a odorless, pleasant flour just like maida and other grains. In some of the parts in Tamil Nadu, that we can say Virudhunagar district, Ramanathapuram district and Sivaganga district, some organic natural millet grains are cultivated and it can be obtained from directly the bakers are getting from the farmers itself, and they are milling to the pulverizers and they are directly using the millet flour in cookie making. Millet cookies is commonly used by the city culture people because they know the nutritional value, highly nutritive, and it is having more immunity power to human body. Okay, so in India, the production of every year, the crop cultivation is rapidly on 8 to 10% in higher. After our country gets the independence, at the time, the present population is almost one fourth time, four times increases from those time, but the consumption of that time, tropical, very higher drought period, the cultivation was more, and the olden farmers and our ancestors are regularly consuming these millet grains directly to their regular food. Nowadays, it was some outdated, and recently by these organizations, these government laboratories and organizations are motivating and the nutritional value, the awareness got from the public, and they are also using the millet grains as well as the millet flour in various food habit. They are changing some of the food even in cookery as well as in the bakery products. The regular consumption they are taking, general public is asking to when come to their bakery and they are asking, give me some of millet cookies or millet bread, multi-grain bread like that. In foreign countries, the multigrain means some barley and other sorghum, other bajra, like that they are consuming. In India, so many millets are there. Out of these millets, 8 millet grains is familiar. That is proso millet, foxtail millet, bodo millet, pearl millet, little millet, and sorghum millet. Like that, 8 to 9 millets are very familiar, and it is also available without demand in market, regular market, and we can get organic. We can get from the organic farms newly innovated in the rural areas. After the country is getting the independence, the total consumption of the millet is 7,000 tons per annum. Now, 4 times the population increases than those days, but 10,424 tons per annum is developed. But if we increase the millet consumption and the crop cultivation, we can export. There is a huge demand and vacuum in various world market. Indian crops are very highly nutritive than the other country because of the soil nature and the soil strength of the soil. Without fertilizers and without rain, it can be sustained. The crop can sustain even highly drought condition. Moreover, that so in foreign countries like United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, Spain, France, and Netherlands, Belgium, Ireland, Greece, Portugal, Switzerland, Denmark, Sweden, Norway, and Finland. These countries are importing from the global market many millet grains is directly purchased from the global market as per the rate and very demand for these products nowadays. Then, as per the database, many of the states in India like Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Jammu Kashmir, and Rajasthan. These area, the drought condition, whatever it may be, happens. The cultivation is regularly done and it is sold out through the market in the city and other through government agencies. We request our association is making so much training programs, so one-day program in Erode and Coimbatore and other places in Karaikudi and Chennai. We are conducting an awareness program by hands-on training on millet cookies and English cookies to remove or certain percentage may be removed. By this way, many bakers are doing millet cookie industry in smaller level and medium scale level. In future, there is a huge demand in the market for the such a millet based bakery products. The bakery consumers regularly asking to the bakery door, they are having, is there any new innovative products made by millets? They are asking for the children, for the nutritional value, for the health value. They well aware about the millet cookies. Okay, compared to the other thing, apart from the training program, we have association has complied to written 2 books. One is the Indian Bread Science and Technology. It is also we have mentioned about the dough rheology, what is happening during the process of baking, and it was written in English, and it was published by one of our affiliated member, DeSoto School of Baking. The second one is the Indian traditional millet cookies. The 650. This book contains 650 tried out recipes for the entrepreneurs as well as the existing bakers to upgrade their skills. By this way, our association, Karaikudi Bakery Owners Association, the pioneer organization, it is getting a 60 years old, vast experience in the association activities and services rendered to the bakers throughout the country. They are making so much training programs along with various organizations like IACPT and the various catering colleges and food technology colleges and everywhere in the state. As far as we concern about this millet cookies and the millet-based bakery products, the peoples are well aware to purchase in future. And when they come to the bakery's doors, they are asking what is the new product innovated and what are the new products based on the millet cookies products, millet flour and other multigrains. Like that they are asking. So, olden days, some bakers are making some recipes commonly used for their level. Now, the public are well aware and to consume whatever their requirement for high nutritious and for children and healthy foods and tasty foods made by the millet flour. Thank you. Any doubts, you can ask regarding this one. Our association will help at any time. Our contact number is 94423185595. Once again, I am telling my mobile number 94423185595.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, I think that was a presentation from the respective speaker. I would like to check it with the backend team. If he's available backstage, please allow him to come on stage, please. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll wait for next 2 minutes more. If we can connect with the respective speaker, then we'll be having him on stage and we can ask them questions and he can talk more about his topic. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So this was the last session of today, and as I told you all that we could not get connected with the speaker, respective speaker, Mr. R. Kelly Swaran, and just wanted to confirm it once again with the backend team. If he is not available, then we will take forward your questions directly to him, and we will ask the team to connect with the respective speaker. I think we are not able to connect with Mr. Kaliswaran. So, ladies and gentlemen, this session ends right here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We have provided you the email address and the contact number. You can ask the questions to the team. They will take forward your questions to the respective speaker. So, ladies and gentlemen, I request all of you to please move to the last room, which is for the vote of thanks. And that's how we are going to end this show. And as I always say in my show, that the show never ends. We always, look forward for the new beginning. So as I always say, the virtual is the new stage, and I hope we all meet again. So let's quickly meet in the next room, that is the vote of thanks room. So I'll see you all there.